Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record screen on your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. To start a screen recording on your device, the quickest way is to use one of these two buttons, either M1 or M2. Hold one of them down and then press Y button with it. Then wait for the recording to start, and as you can see, it's started already. You can see the time of the recording. You can enable your microphone by tapping this icon right here, and now everything that happens on your screen will be shown on the recording. To stop the recording, you either have to close the current window or press the stop button on the bar that you're seeing. Now the recording will be saved to videos, captures, and here you can find the screen recording that you just made. For some reason, okay, here it is. Now the other way to record your screen is by pressing the Armory Crate button right here, and after you press it, you're gonna have to add a widget by pressing Y to customize, then find record screen. Oh no, tap add and then select record screen option, then tap B to go back, and now every time you open this command center, tap on the record screen option, and the screen recording will also start, and it's basically just the same thing that we used before. So let's stop the recording. We already know where it started, and now there is one more Windows feature that you can use to start a screen recording. In order to use it, you're gonna have to first open the keyboard on your device. To do so, press one of these two buttons on the back of your device, and then press the D-pad up button, and then you're gonna have to use first change the layout of your keyboard by tapping the gear icon right here and go to keyboard layout, then select traditional one. Once you select traditional one, press Windows Shift S, or no, actually there is a faster way, Windows Shift R. And now what you're gonna have to do is select the area of your screen that you want to start recording. Now as you can see, now you can enable the microphone by tapping right here, and you can mute system audio by tapping right here. Now let's start the recording. Let's snipping tool access your microphone. Okay, and once the recording is started, everything within your selected area will be shown on the recording. Now you can pause the recording by tapping the pause icon right here. You can stop and save it by pressing the red square icon right here, and you can delete it without saving by pressing the trash bin icon. Let's stop the recording, and immediately we see the full recording preview. And if you want to find this recording, you can find it in the same directory, videos. Almost the same, videos, screen recordings, and here is the Windows screen recording that we just made. So these are all the ways that you can record screen on your device. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.